Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp not showing in notification settings on iPhone in iOS 15. Solution number 1. Turn on notifications in WhatsApp. First go to Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on WhatsApp. On the next page, click on Notifications. Turn on Allow Notifications. After that, select Lock Screen, Notification Center, Banners. Then turn on Sounds and Badges. Click Previews. Select Always. Then go back. Click Notification Grouping. Select Automatic. Solution number 2. Reset location and privacy. Go to Settings app. Swipe down and click General. Swipe down and click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Here click on Reset Location and Privacy. Next, enter the password of your iPhone. In the pop-up window, to click Reset Setting to confirm this process. Solution number 3. Check Screen Time Setting. First go to Settings app on your iPhone. Next, click on Screen Time. Now click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Click on Allowed Apps. If WhatsApp is off, turn it on and check if WhatsApp notification is working. Thanks for watching this video.